Welcome back to the official Kenny Kiva YouTube page. Okay, in this video, I will be teaching you how to download music, audio that you like on your Windows 10. Okay, so firstly, let us go to what Google Chrome in the browser you have a PC. Then, as you can see here, just my free MP3 and some download. Click on it, and as you can see, the first link you click, and to take you to this page. Yeah, and now you can enter any artist or their songs. Like let's just see it unstoppable. See it unstoppable. Wait, please enter. Yeah, let's just as you can see, free MP3 downloads, free music downloads. So just know that here you can download any music that you want. The internet's not quite stable right now, but just know that here you can download any music you want. And if that doesn't work for you, then go to my Go MP3 free music download. But it doesn't work, but I'll suggest you stick with this. Please hold this video also. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. It's gonna keep up with you and subscribe to my channel. Peace, guys. It's been a pleasure.